The Starch Solution Diet is a plant-based eating plan that focuses on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. This diet is low in fat and high in complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy and help you feel fuller for longer. Studies have shown that following a starch solution diet can lead to weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and a reduced risk of heart disease and diabetes. The best part? This diet is easy to follow and delicious. You can enjoy a variety of plant-based foods, including potatoes, rice, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Pairing a starch solution diet with regular exercise can further improve your health and help you achieve your fitness goals. So if you're looking for a healthy, sustainable, and delicious way to improve your health and well-being, give the Starch Solution Diet a try.